In this video, I will show you how to use Heygen AI Avatar. So we are on to the Heygen landing page, or actually dashboard, because you can see I have already logged in. So what you need to do is, you can see I have this video already generated. So if I play it, this is how
Hi,
it
let's
looks.
start with this video, and I am super excited.
So I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can create something like this. First of all, you need to head to your avatars. Since you're going to be using Heygen AI Avatar, select your avatar of your choice. Like for example, if you go with Leo's, or maybe we have Lana, we can go with her as well. Choice is yours. Now what you need to do is simply enter in here your um, script on the left side. So do not forget to head over to the link in the description, guys, as it is 22% off. I'm just reminding you guys again about it, since it is something you are not going to be finding anywhere else. So make sure to head over to the link. Now you can see we can type in here our script like I did for that video. You can enter in here anything. Hello, welcome to the video. And yeah, so you can add in here, copy paste your script. And you can see you can choose your voice actors, and we have the voices, accents. We also have advanced settings, like for example the voice engine. We can even use 11 labs. So yeah, once you generate this, your video is going to be generated using this avatar. So I hope this helps.